Hello! Welcome to day 5. I haven't vlogged all day. It's already 7 o'clock. We've just been hanging out, doing nothing on this beautiful Sunday. Days are going by so fast, I feel like. I wake up at a decent time, woke up at like 8:30 today, hopped in the shower, and then suddenly it was 1 o'clock. And then we ate lunch, and now it's dinner time. And I'm not hungry yet. I'm sure I will be in a few minutes, but now I'm going to make some Rice Krispie treats. We have that giant bag of, what is this called? Crispy rice. It's, we got the bootleg version, but it tastes the same. So I'm on the Kellogg's website, and they require 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 package of Jet Puff marshmallows, but we just have, oh wow, David is so loud, I'm so sorry if you hear his crap. We got marshmallows and 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, so let's get to it. Rice Krispie treats are made. Should be out, cool down probably about 20-30 minutes. David was doing this earlier. Oh wait, I recorded some footage of him doing it. I'm gonna insert it right now. It's just the cutest thing ever. Damn, this one took him 16 minutes. Jesus. I did World Landmarks, this one, and it took me 6 minutes and 33 seconds. I think David's quickest. Oh, he only started taking track of this one. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. That's his quickest. I did a little bit of my calligraphy book. Oh my gosh. Next topic. I started trying to teach myself the Meg the Stallion dance. Dude, I was seriously breaking a sweat. I had to put my hair up and take a break. It is a workout. I should just start learning TikTok dances with my workout because I'm literally sweating in the process. This entire series is just being interrupted by David playing his damn Call of Duty game. And I texted my sister earlier.
Camper! That's how he got 23 kills! Look at that, he still lost. You suck, bro. You suck. 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 You camp. You camp. You camp. You camp.
You're so annoying.
What? They're camping.
I don't care. I can't. If I'm talking and you're yelling, I can't just cancel your voice out.
Alan just said he saw it. He can't give me the background.
God.
Bro, that. Bro, you saw. And it was the one with the most kills that was camping in that joint.
I feel like today's vlog is quite short and very uneventful, but you never know where the evening may, go. We still have a few hours until we'll usually fall asleep, but tomorrow is back to work, back to assignments. I kind of want to make something, but I don't know what to make. So I have a bunch of bread and I have 1 chorizo left, so maybe I'll make like an open-faced sandwich with the chorizo I have left over. I'm honestly not even that hungry though. But we ate like 5 hours ago and I haven't really been snacking. I haven't had much of an appetite the last few days. Not sure why. Or like I don't feel the need to like, okay, it's time to eat. as much as I do when I'm like working. I think because, I don't know, I'm just home and I know I can eat whenever, so I don't feel the need to like set up a time when to eat. Is that weird? Is that a thing? Oh, let me show you guys what I did with my little desk area. So I moved my bulletin board. I don't know, a few vlogs ago I mentioned that that I was going to do that, but I'm trying to teach myself how to do calligraphy because I want to put it in that extra frame that I accidentally bought. So I think I'm going to practice that a little bit right now. So this is what I have so far. I mean, not too shabby, right? My hand hurts now. I'm so stiff when I do this. And then I did this earlier today. I think I like this lettering a lot better. I'm planning on making a writing to put in this frame and then put it up here next to my desk. Back to my spot. I'm gonna take a break because my freaking hand hurts. Time to try. You really can't mess this up. It's delicious. Rice Krispie treat.
When you make it?
Right now. You want one? I feel like I'm gonna eat this whole tray in 2 days. It's dinner time. I feel like all my clips are just in the kitchen today. I'm heating up my bread. And I made huevos con chorizo again. I used my last sausage, and I've got Salvadorian sour cream, some queso fresco, excuse me, my batch of Rice Krispies. I will have another piece after I eat here. Klaus is humping my heart pillow. Well, he's not humping, he's kneading it. But I'm very excited to eat this. I'm so hungry. I've been window shopping houses as if I could actually afford one right now, but I want to like plan out like how much I need to save starting now and like savings in the future. I'm hoping by the time I graduate we can actually start looking for a house, but based on my research, homegirl's gonna have to live in the middle of nowhere because I can't afford this. I can't. Oh my goodness, look at them. You guys.
You getting the live show?
Yes. Oi.
Who cried?
I don't know, I can't tell. It's a really great way to define yourself, Jinxie. I think my toast is burning. Okay, yep, my bread is ready. Alright, I'm gonna construct my sandwich now. Yet another food time lapse for you guys. Okay, it's, what time is it? It's 12:34. Our sleeping schedule. Our sleeping schedule is so messed up. Okay, let me stop talking because David wants to post on a story. Go ahead.
Bro, I'm trying to take out meat, bro. The chicken all the way back there, bro. Oh my god.
Okay, so David pretends like he's about to go in the freezer and find it, but I'm actually gonna go get it because he can't do anything around here.
I'm trying to take out meat, bro. The chicken all the way back there, bro.
So you guys have seen our freezer. I've showed it to you guys before.
Oh my god. I'm trying to take out meat, bro. The chicken all the way back there, bro.
I was like, David, okay, can you like mute that? Damn.
I'm trying to take out meat, bro. The chicken all the way back there, bro.
Alright, ground beef.
Fuck.
Sink. Return this. I found it. Chicken is on this side.
They're not dropped.
It
With the cookie money. You know what they are?
Okay. Alright. Wow, David, that was not that difficult. Probably one of our neighbor's friends. Okay. See? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. It's time to end the vlog here. It's so late. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Hey! Hold on, no.
Oh.
Why you do that?
I thought it was time for bed.